Choosing the right career path in HVAC is one of the most important decisions for any technician or student entering this field. One of the most common questions is whether to work in residential HVAC or commercial HVAC. Both sectors offer good opportunities, but they differ significantly in terms of work environment, skills required, income potential, and long-term growth. In this video, we will compare residential and commercial HVAC in detail and answer the most important question: which career path pays better in 2026? What is residential HVAC? Residential HVAC refers to heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems used in homes, apartments, and small buildings. These systems are usually smaller in size and simpler in design compared to commercial systems. Technicians working in residential HVAC typically install, maintain, and repair split air conditioners, window units, heat pumps, and small duct systems. The work often involves direct interaction with homeowners, which requires good communication skills along with technical knowledge. Residential jobs are usually faster, with shorter service calls, and technicians may handle multiple customers in a single day. What is commercial HVAC? Commercial HVAC involves larger and more complex systems used in offices, malls, hospitals, factories, and large buildings. These systems include chillers, cooling towers, air handling units, AHUs, and advanced control systems. Technicians in commercial HVAC deal with large-scale equipment and more technical challenges. The work requires deeper knowledge of system design, controls, electrical systems, and troubleshooting. Commercial jobs are usually more structured, and technicians often work as part of a team on large projects or maintenance contracts. Skill requirements. Comparison: residential HVAC is generally easier to learn and is a good starting point for beginners. It focuses more on basic installation, gas charging, and simple troubleshooting. On the other hand, commercial HVAC requires advanced skills such as reading complex wiring diagrams, understanding building management systems, BMS, working with chillers, and performing detailed system analysis. Because of this, commercial HVAC technicians are usually more specialized and highly trained. Work environment and job nature. In residential HVAC, technicians often travel between homes and deal with different customers daily. The work can be physically demanding and sometimes stressful, especially during peak summer seasons when demand is very high. In commercial HVAC, the work environment is more stable. Technicians may work in one building or site for a longer period. The job involves scheduled maintenance, system monitoring, and handling complex equipment. Commercial work is generally less rushed compared to residential service calls. Income and salary comparison in 2026. When it comes to income, commercial HVAC usually offers higher and more stable earnings compared to residential HVAC. Residential technicians earn a decent income, but their earnings can fluctuate depending on the season. During peak seasons, income may increase due to more service calls and installations, but during off-season periods, work can slow down. Commercial HVAC technicians, on the other hand, often receive fixed salaries and work on long-term contracts. Their income is more stable throughout the year. Due to the complexity of systems and higher skill requirements, commercial technicians are generally paid more. In 2026, the average income trend shows that commercial HVAC professionals can earn approximately 15 to 25% more than residential technicians, depending on experience and location. Career growth opportunities. Residential HVAC offers faster entry into the field and can lead to opportunities such as starting your own AC service business. Many technicians prefer this path because it allows them to become self-employed and earn through installations and repairs. Commercial HVAC provides better long-term career growth. With experience, technicians can move into roles such as HVAC supervisor, project manager, or design engineer. It also opens doors to working in large companies and international projects. Job stability and demand. Residential HVAC demand is highly seasonal, especially in hot climates. There is a high demand during summer, but it may decrease during other seasons. Commercial HVAC offers more consistent demand because large buildings require year-round maintenance and operation. Industries, hospitals, and offices cannot operate without HVAC systems, which makes this sector more stable. Which one should you choose? The choice between residential and commercial HVAC depends on your goals and interests. If you want to start quickly, work independently, and possibly build your own business, residential HVAC is a good option. If you are interested in advanced systems, higher salaries, and long-term career growth, commercial HVAC is the better choice. Final conclusion: both residential and commercial HVAC are excellent career paths, but they offer different advantages. Residential HVAC is easier to start and offers flexibility, while commercial HVAC provides higher income, stability, and advanced career opportunities. In 2026, if your goal is higher and stable income with professional growth, commercial HVAC is generally the better option. However, combining both skills can make you a highly valuable technician in the industry.